Alright guys, unboxing a Super Street Fighter 4 Tournament Edition fight stick. Called it a professional unboxer here. We already did the hard stuff. Look at that baby. Look at that. Nice slick box design. Makes it look real cool. May not even take that sucker out of a box.
It's
yeah,
just
go ahead and take
nice
that
box.
thing out.
Are you sure?
Take that thing out.
I need a knife here, please.
We'll let the professional unboxer do that.
We'll use the biggest knife in the house.
It's very safe. Don't damage that box. That's a nice box.
Is there another one? Oh, okay. Ooh.
I can smell it. Oh, that's pretty cool.
They make sure this thing's not moving around at all in here.
Take that bad boy out, man.
A little bit of instructions here.
Some instructions.
This is the coolest box I've ever seen.
This is the coolest box I've ever seen. God, look at that joystick. I like the black ball top. There we go, guys. So it's just like a normal fight stick. Nothing different. Nothing different. Just design. Just another $127 price tag. Oh, there we go.
It's pretty sweet.
Make sure it was a PlayStation one. Yep. That's it.